Indian economic updates. Samvat 2081 began positively, with the Sensex rising 0.42% to 79,724 points and the Nifty up 0.39% to 24,299.55 during Friday's Muhurat trading session, marking the Hindu New Year. The Nifty Midcap100 and Smallcap100 indices also saw gains of 0.67% and 0.87%, respectively. Traditionally, traders participate in this session for symbolic gains. Analysts expect moderate returns of 5 to 10% in the coming year due to muted earnings growth, high interest rates, and Chinese economic recovery. The previous year, Samvat 2080, saw robust returns, with the Sensex and Nifty rising 22% and 25%, respectively. However, fund managers advise caution, forecasting market challenges and continued overseas fund outflows. The Reserve Bank of India saw its foreign exchange reserves decrease by $3.5 billion, totaling $684.8 billion for the week ending September. Traders suggest the central bank intervened by selling dollars to curb a sharp depreciation of the rupee. During this period, foreign currency assets dropped by $4.5 billion to $593.7 billion, while gold reserves increased by $1 billion to $68.5 billion. The rupee traded within a narrow band of 84.05 to 84.40 per US dollar, supported by these interventions, even as outflows of $11.5 billion from Indian stocks and bonds exerted additional pressure. It closed at 84.34 per dollar. The festive season boosted carmakers' sales, easing high inventories as consumers bought premium models like the Maruti Suzuki Baleno and Hyundai Creta. Maruti, Tata, Mahindra, and Toyota reported record retail sales, cutting down stock levels. Maruti's wholesale declined 5% to 159,591 units, while Hyundai set SUV sales records, led by the Creta. Mahindra also saw 25% SUV sales growth, overtaking Tata Motors. Toyota and JSW-AMG noted strong demand, with AMG's EV sales comprising 70% of its volume. In two-wheelers, TVS and Royal Enfield posted double-digit growth, while tractor sales were robust, driven by favorable monsoon and crop conditions. The election of Donald Trump as US President boosted Indian equities on Wednesday, with benchmark indices rising over 1%, led by IT stocks anticipating benefits from Trump's economic plans. The Nifty rose 1.1% to 24,484.05, while the Sensex gained 901.5 points to 80,378.13. Trump's policies, including proposed trade tariffs, are seen as favorable for Indian exporters, especially in auto, textiles, and chemicals. IT stocks like TCS and Infosys surged over 4%, while pharma stocks also gained on expectations of supportive US policies. Meanwhile, foreign investors continued to sell Indian stocks, though domestic institutions remained buyers. The volatility index dropped, signaling eased near-term market risks.